Hi, this is Ben Daniel from Packaging Middle East and Africa magazine. We are here at ArabPlast 2025. It's day 2, and it's a pleasure to have here with us the Group President and CEO of Synchro Group, Gabriele Caccia, and also Paolo Gasparotto, who is the Group Sales Director of Synchro Group. And we also have Vikram Fotedar, who is the CEO of the Fotedar Engineering Services Group. Pleasure to see you, gentlemen.
Hi, Ben. Thank you. Hi.
Thank you,
Okay,
Ben.
thank you. Gabriele, if I can start with you, tell us more about your company, Synchro Group. You have a huge portfolio of products that I saw in your booth this morning. Give a brief to our viewers.
Sure. First, Ben, thank you very much for having us here. It's really our pleasure to get a chance to introduce ourselves over here. ArabPlast, the second day was excited as the first one, and for Synchro Group in particularly, it was few years that we were missing this market for several reasons. But now we're back, and it's really exciting for us to introduce all our new technologies. Synchro Group is based on 6 different companies, and all those 6 companies manufacture machineries for the plastics industries, and all the products manufactured by those 6 companies are complementary. The motto of our group is zero waste missions, which stand for developing machineries for a better world, a better planet. So every single machinery which is designed, developed, and manufactured by the group is towards a better sustainable market and business in the plastics industry. Since a couple of years also, we have introduced for each of those new machinery a new brand which is Planet approved. So that's why we really believe coming over on Middle East for us was very a super good idea, and especially now with the new partnership with Fotedar, we are able to provide not only sales but obviously service and support for the local community.
Brilliant, thank you. Paolo, if I can ask you about presence in the Middle East. Just touched on the point.
Yes.
Now we have a partnership with Fotedar. Tell us a little bit more about
Yes, thank you very much for this question. It's with a great pleasure that we announce here on this occasion the great commitment and collaboration with the Fotedar Engineering, not only for Middle East, but for us a crucial market area like India, Middle East, West Africa, and Eastern Africa, where we got presence historically in the past, but where was missing a very strong presence from technical point of view. I participated in several occasions in my previous experience here in this event, but I never got the pleasure to participate with such kind of group commitment like Fotedar. During yesterday and today, we've been visited from a very specialized customer that in Middle East is quite rare, honestly speaking, because there are a lot of volume, but not so precise. Instead, we are very happy because a lot of opportunity, contact, very, I would say, the project that can be developed. So I'm, let's say that is very encouraging, this collaboration with the Fotedar Group. Extremely.
brilliant. Thank you, Paolo. Vikram, you have a huge portfolio of products which are which you're serving. Now, in addition to the Synchro Group, tell us a little about this collaboration. What does that mean to our group?
So Ben, over the years we've been working in the converting industry for a long time. We worked a lot on post-press. We have developed expertise within our team for press as well over the years, and we've been working to strengthen our presence on the extrusion side. And Synchro was the perfect partner because they are enablers to the extrusion industry. So with their systems and their ancillaries which go into different parts of the local machine or in custom lines as well, with gauging, with air rings, and so many other solutions they have, where dosing systems, this can really serve this sector here in Middle East. For us, as a group, we are now charted with a plan to build our service capability here and also to improve the overall extrusion level in the region. So you have a lot of aging machines here whose performance can really be elevated with the accessories that come from Synchro.
Brilliant. Touching on the same point, Gabriele, if I can ask you, your systems and the solutions that you have not only are for new machines or let's say for OEMs, but also for existing machines as retrofit. So how does that work? And tell us a little more so that our viewers, some of our converters who are listening to this might benefit.
Yeah, Ben, what Synchro is really focused on is automation, improving extrusion technologies, and not only. We can state that more or less every year changes slightly the numbers, but anyway, we can say that 50% of our business is towards OEMs, where we have a lot of partnership with several different OEMs in the extrusion business. And that kind of business for us is half, so 50% of our business is new machineries. Then we have a complete division dedicated to retrofit and refurbishment of existing lines, where we are a kind of unique company in our fields, where we analyze, study, and redesign existing lines, giving a new life to maybe a 10, 15, 20 years old line, especially on the automation part. Obviously, we don't touch any hot parts, so we don't touch the extruder, we don't touch the dies and so on, but we change controls, cabinets, we change the ancillaries like automatic rings or gauging or blenders or conveying. And this is the other part of our business, so we can say another 50% of our business. So the relationship is super good because on one side we attack the OEMs, following them and supporting them from A to Z. On the other hand, we are discovering daily the local markets where customers want to improve. They might not have get the opportunities to get spare parts from a PLC which is 20 years old, or change the software for something that is obviously obsolete. We come over and we give really a new life for an existing. Correct. Since 2017, part of Synchro Group is at that time a British company called Plasmac. Then Synchro bought Plasmac, brought then Plasmac down to Italy, when we have completely renovated the company, the structure, the design of the machineries, and the technologies. And in 2019, Arema Group from Austria came over as a major shareholder of the company. And this is a perfect joint venture because Plasmac is very specialized and dedicated to extrusion recycling machineries for post-industrial, normally inline and offline for low output, up to, I would say, 300 kilo per hour, more or less, whilst Rema is obviously the leader, worldwide leader for big extrusion recycling lines and post-consumer. So for Arema was the perfect match to close the gap on the post-industrial point of view, and for Synchro, so Plasmac was the perfect match to, let's say, get access to know-how, technology, and structure worldwide in the recycling business.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. One last message to our viewers from Synchro Group. We are entering into the new year now. There's a lot of opportunities but also challenges. So what's your message to the regional converters?
Well, I would say that we come from a time, difficult times, because 2024 was a very uncertain times due to wars, due to shortage, due to elections all over the world and so on. But we started 2025 really with a lot of excitement. We do see now customers that's been waiting for new investment and waiting for something that is going to happen that nobody knows when. But we see really, and the proof is today's ArabPlast, people are looking for new investment, new technologies. So we simply need to be very, very much dynamic and following the dreams of our customers, which are our customers, because the success of our customers will be our success.
Brilliant. Gentlemen, thank you for your time. And,
Thank you
wish
very
all
much
the
for
best.
having us.
Thank you. Wish you all the best for tomorrow, the last day, and also for the rest of the year.
Thank you very much.
you very much.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.